Hello everyone. The European Central Bank is set to cut its deposit rates by 25 basis points to 2% at its June 5 meeting. While inflation is approaching the 2% target and there are small signs of recovery, the economic backdrop remains shaky, especially with German unemployment hitting a 13-year high and retail sales declining again. President Lagarde used the word uncertainty 15 times in her last briefing, and that cautious tone continues. Policymakers are split. Hawks like Holtzman and Knott wants to wait, while doves such as Panetta and Villeroy argue for more support. Complicating matters further, President Trump's announcement of 50% tariffs on steel and aluminium has triggered trade tensions with EU. This sent the dollar index down to 98.80 levels, pushing the euro stronger, closer to the psychological 1.1500 levels. So, while the June cut seems likely, the ECB will remain non-committal on future moves. They want to stay flexible, supporting the economy, but avoiding the impression of a long rate cut cycle. In short, this is a measured move, not a shift in the direction. The ECB is stepping forward, but carefully watching every signal before its next step. Thank you and stay tuned for more updates.